How to add tags to your cover picture on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add tags to your cover picture on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and now click on your profile here and then click this one, edit profile, and then click edit. Now just click view cover photo and click these 3 points in the top corner and then click add tags, and as you see here you can add that. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.